Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to discuss about average speed problems mainly for JEE and NEET exams. Okay, so previously we already studied what is average speed. Average speed is the ratio of total distance divided by total time. Distance divided by total time. So we will consider two type of problems for average speed. The first type is type 1. In that type, the distances are equal, but the velocity is different. How the average speed we can calculate? Okay, so I am taking an assumption. If a body travel with a speed of the distances in S1, S2 up to etc. S1 in Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to discuss about average speed problem, mainly for NEET and JEE exams. Okay, so how we can attempt the average speed problems we will see now. So first we will see what is average speed. Average speed is a ratio of total distance to the total time. So total distance divided by total time. Normally there are two type of problems are there. In the first type, the distances are equal. Then what is the average speed we will see. So the object is to be moves with a distance S1, S2 up to etc. Sn with a speed of V1, V2 up to etc. V1, Vn. Then what is the average speed? Average speed is equal to V average is equal to total distance divided by total time. What is the total distance? S1 plus S2 plus up to etc. Sn. What is the total time? What is the time for the S1 distance? Plus T2 to etc. Tn. The T1, T2, Tn values are not to be given, but this V1, V2, Vn are given. By using that, we can find out T1, T2 and Tn. So V1 is equal to S1 divided by T1. So from this, what is to be T1? T1 is equal to S1 divided by V1. Similar way, we can find out T2 is equal to S2 divided by V2. Next, so we will substitute all this in this. what we will get? V average is equal to S1 plus S2 plus up to etc. Sn divided by T1 is equal to S1 divided by V1 plus what is T2? S2 divided by V2 up to etc. Sn divided by Vn. I am taking a condition. If S1 is equal to S2 is equal to up to etc. Sn is equal to S, that means the distances are equal, then what you will get? V average is equal to S plus up to etc. Ns. Here also S by V1 plus S by V2 plus up to etc. S by Vn we will get. From this, how many is? N times Ns. From this you take it out the S outside. 1 by V1 plus 1 by V2 plus up to etc. 1 by Vn you will get. Okay? S and S you can cancel it. Then what you will get? VAVG is equal to N divided by 1 by V1 plus 1 by V2 plus up to etc. 1 by Vn. Okay? To understand this problem easily, I will change something here. Okay? So this I am changing like this. You can see that 1 by V average is equal to 1 by V average, what you can take? This inverse. That means 1 by N into 1 by V1 plus 1 by V2 plus up to etc. 1 by Vn. This is the V average formula if the distances are equal. Okay? Only two velocities are there. Then how we can solve? That means S1 is equal to not S1 is equal to S2 is equal to S. Okay? Then what you will take? 1 by V average is equal to how many times? The total distance are divided into two parts. That's why S1 and S2. Okay? 1 by 2 into 1 by V1 plus 1 by V2. So what is this you will get? LCM is you can get it as V1 into V2 into 2. Here what you will get? V2 you will get. Here V1 you will get. So this is 1 by V average. So what is V average? V average is equal to inverse of this. That is 2V1 into V2 divided by V1 plus V2. Okay? Clear? This is the type. Then in this type, how the problem will ask, we'll see. So problem 1. Okay, the problem 1. They will say like this: in the first half of a distance travel with some velocity v1, the second half travel with a velocity of v2. First half means if the total distance is s, the first half means s by 2. Second half also s by 2. So you see here the distance is equal. Then how will you calculate the average speed? Average speed is equal to this formula. You can directly apply, that is 2 into v1 v2 divided by v1 plus v2. Okay? Then if v1 is equal to 2 meter per second and v2 is equal to 4 meter per second, how can we solve? V average is equal to 2 into 4 divided by 2 plus 4. Then what you will get here? 2 into 6 into 4 divided by 6. Okay? 6 and 2 you can cancel. Here you are getting here 3 here. So 8 by 3. What is 8 by 3? 2.666. Like that you can. So the average speed is here 2.6 meter per second. Clear? This is the one problem. And next, problem 2. That is A body moves from A to B with a velocity v1 and return from B to A with a velocity v2. What is the average velocity? So here also you see that A to B is to be s. Return time also the distance is s. So we can easily calculate V average is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by V1 plus 1 by V2. That is equal to what we can take it as. We already know this formula, 2 into V1 V2 divided by V1 plus V2. That is the V average. If V1 is equal to 2 meter per second and this is equal to 3 meter per second, what is the average? What you will get? 2 into 3 into 2 divided by 2 plus 3. So how much you will get? 2 plus 3 is 5. So 2 into 3 how much? It is to be 6. 6 into 12 by 5 you will get. Okay, 12 by 5 how much? 12 by 5 it is to be how much you will get? 2.4 you will get. Okay, 2.4 meter per second. Next we will see the third type of problem. Okay, problem 3. That means the total distance is divided into 3 equal half. That means you see like this. Okay, first 1 by third distance is traveled with the velocity v1. Next 1 by third distance is to be traveled with the velocity v2, and next 1 by third distance is traveled with the velocity v3. So you can find out this average speed by using this formula. 1 by V average is equal to 1 by 3 into 1 by V1 plus 1 by V2 plus 1 by V3. Okay, this is the way we can find out the average speed. Okay, so this if V1 is equal to some value, V2 is equal to some value, V3 equal to some value, you just directly substitute and you can find. Type 2. A body moves with speed of V1, V2, Vn in T1, T2, Tn time respectively. Okay, so in this case, what is the average speed? This type is mainly based on equal time. If the time needs to be equal, what is the average speed? Okay, so you see this V average is equal to total distance divided by total time. What is the total distance? Total distance is equal to S1 plus S2 plus up to etc. Sn divided by total time is T1 plus T2 plus up to etc. Tn. What is Sn? S1 is equal to what you will get? S1 is equal to, here S1 value is not to be given. So from this V1 is equal to S1 divided by T1. So what is S1 here? S1 is equal to V1 into T1. The similar way we can find out S2 is equal to V2 into T2 and S3 is equal to V3 into T3. So now V average is equal to V1 T1 plus V2 T2 plus up to etc. Vn Tn all divided by T1 plus T2 plus up to etc. Tn. Okay, then now I am taking the case if T1 is equal to T2 is equal to up to etc. Tn is equal to T, then what is the average velocity? Okay, so V average is equal to what you will get? V1 into T plus V2 into T plus up to etc. Vn into T all divided by T plus T plus T plus T you will get. Okay, from this you can take T outside. So V1 plus V2 plus up to etc. Vn you will get. Here T plus T plus T how many time? N times. So N. This T and T you can cancel. So V average is equal to V1 plus V2 plus up to etc. Vn divided by N we will get. Okay. So if the time is to be equal, the average velocity is equal to sum of the velocity divided by total number. Okay. So how the problem may comes? Before that, we will take it as a special case here. That is T1 is equal to T2 is equal to T. Only 2 time is to be given. That is the total time is to be split into 2 equal half. Then what is the average velocity? V average is equal to V1 plus V2 divided by the total time is split into 2 halves. So V1 plus V2 divided by 2. Okay. Then we will see how the problem may ask in this type. Problem. This is the type. That means first 3 seconds the object travel with a speed of 10 meter per second. Next 3 seconds the object travel with a speed of 20 meter per second. Next 3 seconds the object travel with a speed of 10 meter per second. Then what is the average speed? You see here, this time, these times are equal. So which formula we can use? This formula we can use. So average speed is equal to total velocity V1 plus V2 plus V3 divided by total number, that is 3. So 10 plus 20 plus 30 divided by 3. So how much you will get here? This is to be this is to be 10 itself. Okay, 10. Okay, so how much you will get? So 40 divided by 3 you will get. This is the average speed. Okay, this is the way the problems may comes in average speed topic.
Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe my channel. If you like this video, please put like